Here's how to check if your phone supports Wi-Fi 7 or not. First is go to the settings of your phone. Afterwards, redirect yourself to the Wi-Fi option and go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected with. Afterwards, scroll down until you see there the private Wi-Fi address. Make sure that it is under the automatic options or rotation. Now, you will see there the IP address. If you see the IP address ending with number 7, it means that your phone supports Wi-Fi 7. So, as you scroll down, you will be able to copy the IP address that you have. Just go ahead and long press the IP address and you can just go ahead and copy it and put it on the browser. So, let's go ahead and do it right now. So, on the Google, put on the IP address that we just copied from the network that we're currently in, and then afterwards you will be redirected to the router network and then log in to see.